Aditya Dwivedi from Aditya Technology Delivers. In this video, I tell you how to make PDF from photo, multiple photo, single photo, and in B&W means black and white color and original color. So first of all, subscribe my channel and tap bell icon to get more notification of my channel. First on your data network, go to Play Store, app, and search for NoteBlock. NOTEB. Yes, you can find NoteBlock scanner app, scan, save, and share as PDF. You can also find in App Store, iOS Store, and many Aptoid app you can find from this. And then install this app on your phone, and then off your data network and go to NoteBlock app. If you have an image you want to make a PDF, so tap this. If you want to make PDF by clicking image, so you can tap this. Go to camera, and then if you want to make this PDF, and you can also flash from this icon, you can see, and then go to and take. If you want to make multiple photos PDF, so you can tap this. If you have a single photo, so you can tap this. I want to multiple photos, so and then this, and then you want to take one more shots for your PDF, so you can yes, okay, take, and you can more shots. Filter docs, original filter, ये आपको सर्च original photos, no box, no block, filter, original color, okay, and then if you can crop from this like this, so I need this section, so I can this, and then I need this section, so I crop like this. Yes, trick. And see, your photos are ready, and then tap share. You can see that there is share as PDF. If you want to share JPG means photos, so you can tap this. And if you want to share with PDF means if you want to make PDF, so you can tap this. And you also rename this PDF my PDF. I rename, and then smallest actual. You can also compress from this. And if you want to share, you can share from WhatsApp, Bluetooth, Gmail, Nearby Share, OneDrive, and many more options. Save to drive, you can see that, and go to, and you can see that we can share from this. So if you want to make one more PDF by, if you have an image, tap this, and you can go in your image. First go to your, if you want to this, you can, yes, okay, original color, B&W, and okay, B&W, yes, okay. So you can make PDF from this app. This app is the best for making PDF and compressing your PDF. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe and tap bell icon to get more notification of my channel. If you have any problem, please comment on my channel so I can solve. Okay, thank you and bye.